The wedding had just taken place here at the Natural History Museum, and the reception was just underway when a call from Grace's wedding planner set something else in motion. Friends, family, and guests all had to do the impossible, move a wedding celebration in the middle of a wildfire evacuation. Grace Goddard and Jeff Robison had it all: the vows, the dress, and a beautiful backdrop. What they didn't have was a wildfire plan.
We had a perfect ceremony, and Jeff and I took a moment after and we went and sat by ourselves, and a huge helicopter flew by low.
Then came the bad news.
Our planner pulled us aside once we got in and said we had an hour to evacuate.
The Bonneville Fire had started that afternoon in the foothills above the University of Utah. By that evening, it was forcing evacuations at Red Butte Garden and the Natural History Museum. The fire would eventually burn more than 500 acres. But inside the museum, the emergency was smaller and much more personal.
Everybody just grabbed stuff, like literally off the perfectly set tables of the museum.
Guests gathered up whatever else they could carry and moved everything down the road to the Garden Park ward. Jeff's bishop helped open the building, and within minutes, the reception was starting to look like itself again.
You know, they perfectly recreated my seating chart.
For Jeff, the whole thing felt surreal.
It was like being on a reality TV show. Extreme makeover wedding edition.
For all the last-minute scrambling, the only thing lost was the wedding cake. Someone dropped it during the rush to get out, but even that couldn't ruin the night.
It was the best day ever because at the end of the day, I got to be married to Grace.
Grace says she's thankful for everyone who helped move their night forward that night, but she wants us to know that the Bonneville Fire just didn't stop a wedding. It left an impact on the area, too. At the Natural History Museum, Suzanne Stevens, Fox 13 News, Utah.